I just completed conducting the first training program on effective public speaking for teenagers here at Chitrakoota School. Usually I conduct these sessions for adults. So it was very interesting, and I was also really looking forward and eager in training all these students who are in the teenage, because I wanted to know how I can resonate with this particular generation. And I have to say that these students are really exposed to many things, and the information, the knowledge, the content that they were coming up while they were sharing certain incidences like what I was giving them for homework was something that really amazed me. And the best thing is they're still trainable, they're still coachable. So hats off to Chitrakoota, their founders, the teachers, and everyone who made this event a success by having these kind of programs. I'm sure many other schools, many other students who participated from different schools will also immensely benefit, because end of the day we might have the best of the best knowledge, we might have the best of the best idea, but what's the point if we are not going to communicate it with impact? YGB Club, you got to believe.